Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're gonna focus on how to do a back row. Okay. The reason you do a back row is in case somebody push at you, or you trip over something and you need to do a back row. Okay. Back row is to prevent you from hitting your head to the ground. Okay. Let's get started. Quick demonstration. Back row. Step by step, back row. Side view. Alright guys, now let's talk about those steps, okay? So before you do back row, make sure you get into this position here, okay? So step back, you gotta turn your head and hands right here, okay? So this is the position that you need to get in before you row, okay? Number two, when you do back row, you don't need the hands, okay? But if you want to like get up fast, right? Just keep your hands here, so you can push you back up, okay? Number three is if your head not turning, right? If you keep your head like this and you start doing back row, it's gonna get caught by your neck, and you cannot go over. Okay, so make sure you turn your head. Okay, if you turn your head this way, make sure you kick the opposite direction. Okay, so if you turn your head this way, you kick this way. You turn your head this way, you kick the other way. Okay, that's it for this week. If you have any question, leave a comment under. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Thank you.